The GRPR position helps the printer recognize the relationship between the grid and pinch rollers. You may need to readjust the position of either roller when an error occurs. Before you begin, make sure the printer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the function and remote keys simultaneously for 15 seconds. Wait for the beep to confirm you've entered service mode. Now for the GRPR position adjustment procedure. Step 1. Access the adjustment menu. Use the printer's menu controls to select Pound Adjust. From the options, choose GRPR position. Step 2. Check and park the cutter. Check the cutter's location. If the cutter is not in the parking position, move it there by hitting Enter. If the cutter is already parked, proceed to the next screen. Step 3. Lift the clamp lever. Raise the clamp lever to allow manual adjustment of the rollers. Step 4. Align the rollers. Carefully align the rightmost pinch and grid roller so their ends are even. The tolerance is plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. Once aligned, lower the clamp lever to lock them in place. Press Enter to confirm alignment. Step 5. Automatic compensation. The printer will automatically perform positional compensation. After it is complete, press Enter to accept the result, then press N to return to the main menu. Looking for more tips and tricks to keep your printer in tip-top shape? Like and subscribe.